Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This is Eric, your independent Scentsy consultant. So today I actually have the Ratatouille collection and I'm very excited. So Ratatouille is one of my favorite Pixar movies. I was very excited to know that Scentsy was going to come out with this collection. So today I have the wax bar for the collection as well as the warmer. I'm gonna do the reveal and review in that order. I don't have the Scentsy Buddy only because, I kind of figured we can only have so many Scentsy Buddies, but Remy is super cute. He is still available. He's $35, so I think that's a pretty good deal, because lately, like, some of the more popular or like larger Scentsy Buddies have been up to, almost $60, so I think 35 is a really good deal, and it comes with that scent pack, so just keep that in mind. But first, I'm gonna smell the wax bar with you. I'm gonna put the warmer over here. So this I'm very intrigued by this one. So this is Disney Ratatouille Bon Appetit, and it is technically in the bakery category. However, it doesn't smell sweet at all. I have not smelled this yet, but I just know, like, based on the description, it's not sweet. So this is ripe tomato, fresh basil, a dash of garlic, and a slice of French baguette pay homage to the rich, savory flavors in the classic dish Ratatouille. So, I definitely feel like this will be a love it or hate it scent. I don't think anyone's gonna be like, oh, that's just okay. Like, I don't know, maybe some people, but we'll see. Now, I'm just really nervous about this. I do feel like it'll be a kitchen scent, but here goes nothing. I don't want to smell anything until I get close to it. I'm trying to take it out of the packaging here. Here we go. There we go. It smells like pizza. And like somebody had said that, but you get the basil, the tomato, the garlic. Like, you smell every little bit of it. This was a very interesting thing for Scentsy to do. I don't think they've ever done like a savory bar like this. I know they've done like a tomato vine scent, but I don't think they've ever done like a food scent specifically. I would warm this in the kitchen, but probably nowhere else because it smells like pizza baking or pizza out of a box or something like that. So just keep that in mind. This is Ratatouille Bon Appetit. So I see what Scentsy was trying to do here, but it's not my favorite. So like I just said, like, some people like love it or hate it, but I would warm that in the kitchen. Not immediately. I wouldn't run for it, but if I wanted a bar to use up or something, that would be the one for the kitchen. So that's how I feel about that. All right, so now I have the warmer, and the box and the packaging is super duper cute. Oh my gosh. You have Linguini and Remy and Eiffel Tower, super cute. And it's the same thing on the other side. And it says Ratatouille, of course. This packaging is really cute. Oh, and then the top of the box. It's just a larger view of Paris. And Gusteau's. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. All right, here we go. Oh, and then you open this and it says, anyone can cook. Gusteau quote. Super cute. All right. Hopefully this box isn't super complicated to open. This spoiler alert, this is not my warmer. It is a customer's, so they let me open it, but I just want to be really careful with it. All right, here's the bulb. Alright, so you have the Gusteau's hat, cute, and the Eiffel Tower, really cute. I like that. Alright, and then the base. Okay, I thought this would be like complicated to put back together, but it doesn't look like it's going to be. That's really nice. So here's the base, and it's the Anyone Can Cook book. It has cheese and a strawberry, and you have Gusteau right there. Really cute. I love this. Alright, so... oh, and I didn't share this. Remy is in the dish. It's adorable. This is like the perfect kitchen warmer. So I'm gonna open the bulb here. And this uses what looks like a 25-watt bulb. Excuse me. Alright, so we're all screwed on there. And it goes like so. You just slip that on there. And it's super cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I am using natural lighting, but I'm going to attempt to turn this on to see what it looks like. I'm gonna turn the light off in here and see if that makes a difference. I could always close these blinds too, but I'll show you what this looks like. Hang on just a second. All right, so it's a little darker in here. I'm not sure how this will turn out, but I'm gonna do the best I can to show you what this will look like. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. You have Remy right there, the shadow. Super cute. I do know like the Eiffel Tower kind of has like a shadow as well. You can kind of see it on my face and body here. Super cute. This is the perfect kitchen warmer, I swear. Like, it's super cute. I like that a lot. So, this is $65. I know that can sound a little steep, but the detail of this is just unbeatable. It's a Disney warmer, so that licensed partnership that we have with them, I just love the detail. Like it was very well like thought out, and they just did a really great job with it. So, but I will hold this and show you Remy in the dish. Really, really cute. So, this is $65. The wax bar is $7 if you are interested in that pizza smell. And of course the buddy is $35, and it comes with a scent pack. The scent pack for this, I've heard, smells gross, but I believe that is $8 as well. The link for my website is in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great night.